Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can fix Studio or OBS Studio lag and stuttering. So when you are experiencing this problem, it has something to do with the performance of your computer or basically just having the wrong setting. So first things first, you want to close out background application, and most likely you just want to open up the screen that you're recording, OBS, and that's it. This allows your computer to allocate more resources into these two applications, basically avoiding it to stutter and lag. Now from here, navigate through your OBS, navigate through settings, click video, and make sure that you have set your base canvas resolution. Same thing with the output output resolution right here on your own preference. And for the FPS, if you're experiencing major lag or stuttering, I suggest recording at 30 FPS. But if your computer can handle it, you then want to switch to 60. Now on this section, click output. And for the recording output, make sure that you are using the right video encoder. So this can depend if you don't have a GPU, if you have an NVIDIA GPU, AMD GPU, or if you don't have none at all. Now, most likely, most people use NVIDIA, so you want to select NVENC H.264. This allows the computer to actually encode the recording on the built-in chip for your graphics card, basically reducing the stress on the CPU itself. Now for the recording quality, you want to select high quality, medium file size, but of course if you're experiencing lag, you could maybe try it lowering it down even more. And after setting this setting, you will go ahead and basically fix the problem. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.